Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize TalkBack's gesture to triple tap with two fingers option gesture in Motorola Edge 15 earphone. So where to look for our TalkBack's gestures and how to change them. First we need to go to settings. In settings we are looking for accessibility, then TalkBack, next settings, and now we are looking for customize gestures menu. And now we are looking for the two fingers option. So here is one finger, one back and forth, one finger angle, two fingers. And triple tap with two fingers option is right here, as you can see. So to change this, we have of course assigned by default an option here. We can change to whatever we want, and now it will change here as well. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.